AI is transforming everything. Art, business, and yes, even programming. But can it really replace human developers? I put 5 of the most advanced AI coding tools to the test, challenging them to build software, fix bugs, and think like real programmers. The results? Some AIs blew me away, others fell short. Are programmers doomed, or is this all hype? Let's find out. AI is changing the game, but can it truly replace us? The answers might surprise you. First up, Devin AI, touted as the world's first fully autonomous AI developer. The claim? It can take a project from idea to deployment all on its own. I was skeptical. Programming isn't just code, it's planning, debugging, and adapting. So, I challenged Devin to build a complete Pern stack app. PostgreSQL, Express, React, Node.js, with user authentication and data display. Devin didn't just code, it mapped out a plan, set up folders, chose packages, and sequenced development like a pro. Watching it work was like seeing a developer's mind in fast forward. Then came the real test, a dependency error. Devin read the error, searched for solutions, fixed the issue, and kept going, just like a human. In about 30 minutes, it delivered a working app. Registration, login, dashboard, all functional. The code was clean and organized, though not perfect. Next, I pushed it further. Add a real-time chat module with WebSockets. Devin planned, picked libraries, and started coding. It hit some snags with message broadcasting and UI updates, but it debugged its own mistakes and kept improving. The chat worked, though it wasn't flawless. What did I learn? Devin is shockingly close to true autonomy for foundational tasks. For complex, nuanced features, it still needs human oversight or precise prompts. It's not ready to run mission-critical projects solo, but it's a massive leap forward. Devin isn't just an autocomplete, it's a glimpse of the future. The line between human and AI developer is getting blurry. If this is the starting point, what's next? For now, programmers aren't obsolete, but the landscape is changing fast. Devin's autonomy is real, but human creativity and judgment still matter. The revolution has begun. Will you adapt or get left behind? This is just the beginning. AI can build, debug, and even plan, but it can't replace the human touch. Yet. The future? It's closer than you think. Devin AI, not perfect, but a game changer. Are you ready for what's coming? Let's keep going. Next, let's talk about GitHub Copilot, the AI pair programmer built right into your editor. Copilot isn't fully autonomous. It's designed to work alongside you, suggesting code, functions, and even tests as you type. I pushed Copilot to help me build a recommendation engine for an e-commerce project. No starting from scratch, just augmenting my workflow. Copilot's code completions are now smarter, often suggesting entire blocks relevant to my context. Boilerplate? It nails it, generating 80 to 90% of repetitive code from a simple comment. For more complex logic, I wrote detailed comments, and Copilot scaffolded out functions, sometimes spot on, sometimes needing tweaks. Its real strength is context. It pulls in variable names, patterns, and functions from across your codebase, making suggestions feel tailored. But it's not perfect. Ambiguous or novel problems can trip it up, and sometimes it suggests code that's just wrong. Copilot is like a super-fast, eager junior dev. Great for drafts and reminders, but you're still in charge. It's a force multiplier, not a replacement for deep thinking or design. Security and code ownership are real concerns. Always review its output. Verdict? Copilot makes good programmers faster and more productive, but you need the skills to guide it. It's an indispensable assistant, not a replacement. The human is still in the driver's seat. Copilot is a glimpse of the future AI as your coding partner. Use it wisely and you'll code smarter, not just faster. The best results come from collaboration, AI and humans side by side. Copilot is here to help, not to take over. Embrace it, but don't get complacent. The future of coding is teamwork with AI. Are you ready to pair up? Let's see what's next. Onward. Now let's look at ChatGPT 4.5 with Code Interpreter, a tool known for fast, logical code generation and data analysis. Unlike Copilot or Devin, ChatGPT 4.5 isn't just for developers, it's a Swiss Army knife for coding, data, and logic. I tested it with a real-world data science task, cleaning a CSV, calculating sales per category, and generating a bar chart. It understood the prompt, wrote Python code with pandas and matplotlib, and executed it, showing the chart instantly. Next, I asked it to build a command line tool to scan text files and count word frequency. Its first script was good, but missed some edge cases. I gave feedback and it quickly improved the code. This rapid prototyping is where ChatGPT 4.5 shines. It's fantastic for algorithmic challenges, logic puzzles, and quick scripts, like having a 24/7 computer science tutor. But it struggles with building full apps, managing complex UIs, or understanding holistic project architecture. It's great at back-end logic, less so at front-end or big-picture design. ChatGPT 4.5 excels at pattern matching and applying known solutions, but lacks true innovation or deep understanding. For data analysis, learning, and rapid prototyping, it's a powerhouse. It won't build your next enterprise app, but it'll save you hours on specific coding challenges. Think of it as a versatile coding assistant, fast, logical, and always available. Use it for what it does best: scripts, algorithms, and data tasks. For bigger projects, you'll still need human oversight. ChatGPT 4.5 not a replacement but an essential tool in your coding toolkit. The right tool for the right job. Let's move on. Now let's dive into Replit Ghostwriter, an AI coding coach built into the Replit online IDE. Ghostwriter promises instant feedback, smarter suggestions, and real-time error correction. I tested it by making common Python mistakes. Ghostwriter flagged errors instantly, often suggesting better ways to write the code. It's like having a patient tutor, speeding up learning and reducing frustration. The Explain This Code feature is a standout paste in tricky code, and it breaks it down in plain English. For debugging, Ghostwriter analyzes errors and suggests fixes. Sometimes generic, but often spot on. It also helps refactor and optimize code, suggesting more efficient structures or cleaner logic. Its strength is in-the-moment help syntax, patterns, and local logic. For deep, project-wide issues, it's less powerful than tools like Cody or Devin. Ghostwriter shines for beginners and those learning new languages, making coding more accessible and less intimidating. For pros, it's a handy convenience for quick checks and explanations. It's not about generating massive code bases, but about helping you write and understand code better. If you use Replit, Ghostwriter is a must-have. Instant feedback and clear explanations are game changers for learning and productivity. For complex projects, you'll want more advanced tools, but for everyday coding, Ghostwriter is a fantastic coach. It's all about making you a better coder, faster. The future of learning to code is here, and it's AI-powered. Embrace the help and level up your skills. Ghostwriter, your new coding coach. Ready to learn faster? Let's see the final tool. Finally, let's talk about Cody by Sourcegraph, the AI that understands your entire code base. Cody indexes your whole project, learning how everything connects, from architecture to dependencies. I connected it to a massive repo with years of history. After indexing, I could ask Cody anything, where functions are defined, how features work, or how data flows. Cody pinpointed file locations, call sites, and even generated diagrams explaining complex interactions. It's like having a senior architect on demand. Cody traced obscure features, explained legacy code, and even suggested refactoring opportunities. I asked it to generate a new API endpoint, and it produced a draft that fit my project's conventions and patterns. For onboarding, Cody is a game changer. New devs can ask questions and get up to speed fast. Debugging? Cody suggested likely causes for tricky bugs, sometimes finding issues I'd missed. Downsides? Setup can be complex for huge private repos, and for small projects it might be overkill. Its power depends on the quality of your code base, but it's surprisingly good at inferring intent. Cody isn't about writing all your code, it's about understanding, navigating, and extending complex systems. For enterprise teams or legacy projects, it's a lifesaver. The future of collaborative coding is here, AI that truly knows your code. Cody is a massive leap forward for large-scale development. It's not replacing you, but it's making you smarter and faster. The right AI can make even the toughest code base manageable. Are you ready to work with an AI that knows your code better than you do? Cody, the future of code-aware assistants. The next era of programming is here. Let's wrap up. Final thoughts coming up. After testing these 5 AI tools, here's the truth. AI isn't replacing programmers yet, but it's changing everything about how we code. Devin AI is nearly autonomous. Copilot and Ghostwriter are incredible assistants. ChatGPT 4.5 and Cody excel at logic and code base understanding. Ignore these tools and you risk falling behind. The future is human ingenuity plus AI power. Embrace these tools, learn them, and you'll have a massive advantage. The revolution is here. Adapt or get left behind. Which AI tool impressed you most? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay ahead with ShahabIT.